If you're new to credit in the United States, choosing the right credit card is extremely important because your first card will shape your entire credit history. A good beginner credit card should be easy to get approved for, should not charge unnecessary fees, and should help you build your credit score quickly and safely. Among all the available cards, a few stand out for their simplicity, benefits, and beginner-friendly features. One of the most popular beginner options in America is the Discover It Cashback Card. Many first-time users prefer it because Discover is known for approving people with little or no credit history. The card has no annual fee, and the cashback rewards are very attractive for beginners. Discover also matches all the cashback you earn during your first year, which makes it feel like you're earning double rewards without doing anything extra. Because of its soft approval process and strong customer support, it is often considered the safest first credit card in the USA. Another extremely common beginner card is the Capital One Platinum Card. This card is designed specifically for people who are starting from zero or have a limited credit background. It does not offer rewards, but focuses on helping you build credit safely. One of the biggest advantages is that Capital One usually increases your credit limit automatically after 6 months of responsible use. Young adults choose this card when they want something simple, rewarding, and beginner-friendly. Another modern and very popular beginner option is the Petal 2 Cashback, no fees Visa card. This card is special because it does not rely only on your credit score for approval. Instead, Petal looks at your banking history to decide if you are a responsible spender. This makes it perfect for new immigrants, students, or young people who have never used credit before. The card has no fees at all, no annual fee, no late fee, no foreign transaction fee, which makes it one of the safest beginner cards in the USA. Over time, it also starts giving cashback rewards, which helps new users feel more comfortable with credit. Chase also has a beginner card called the Chase Freedom Rise. This card is designed for people who are new to credit but want to build a relationship with a big bank. Approval becomes easier if you have at least $250 in a Chase checking account. Many beginners like this because Chase is known for offering very powerful cards later, such as the Freedom Unlimited or Sapphire Preferred. Starting with Freedom Rise helps new users grow their credit while also preparing for better cards in the future. For iPhone users, the Apple Card has become an extremely popular beginner choice in the United States. It has no annual fee, gives daily cash rewards, and is very easy to manage because everything is controlled from the Wallet app on your iPhone. The design is simple and modern, and Apple is known for approving many first-time credit users. If you just want to build your credit with minimum risk, Capital One Platinum is perfect. If you want rewards from day one, Quicksilver One is better. If you want a card with absolutely no fees, Petal 2 is ideal. And if you use an iPhone, the Apple Card makes credit management extremely simple and visual. These cards help beginners in the USA build a strong financial foundation, increase their credit score, and eventually qualify for premium cards, lower interest rates, and better financial opportunities. Choosing the right first credit card is not only about rewards. It's about building a future where credit works for you, not against you.